Hello viewers, DV Zealand presents NTSC SSC exam preparation with bank multiple choice questions SAT 10th video. Class 10 Social Studies, Chapter 14 National Movement in India, Partition and Independence 1939 to 47, Part 2. Question number 1. Who led the Indian National Army INA against the British? Correct answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 2. The Allied powers regained control and eventually won the World War II as Russia stopped the Nazi forces with the victory in. Correct answer Stalingrad. Question number 3. Subhash Chandra Bose INA was defeated by Dash Army. Correct answer the British. Question number 4. On 18th February 1946, the guards or ratings of the Royal Indian Navy in Dash Harbor went on hunger strike to protest against bad food and behavior of their British officers. Correct answer Bombay. Question number 5. The Bombay Naval Central Strike Committee, headed by M.S. Khan, demanded. Correct answer all the above. Better food and equal pay for white and Indian sailors, release of INA and other political prisoners, withdrawal of Indian troops from Indonesia. Question number 6. The year Dash was a year of strikes and work stoppages in factories and mills in many parts of the country. Correct answer 1946. Question number 7. Tebhaga movement was led by the Provincial Kisan Sabha in Dash state. Correct answer Bengal. Question number 8. In Hyderabad, a massive movement of farmers of the Telangana region was led by. Correct answer the Communist Party. Question number 9. The farmers of Telangana demanded for Dash during armed struggle. Correct answer all the above. Cancellation of farmers' debts, stopping of bonded labor, distribution of land to those who worked on it. Another armed revolt of peasants took place in Punnapra Vayalar in the state of. Correct answer Travancore. Question number 11. As a first step towards full independence, the British agreed to create an entirely Indian Central Executive Council except for. Correct answer both A and C. The Viceroy and the Commander in Chief of the Armed Forces. Question number 12. Which of the following is correct about the provincial elections of 1946? Correct answer all the above. The Muslim League got more than 86% of Muslim votes. The Congress swept the general constituencies. The Congress got over 91% of non-Muslim vote. Question number 13. The Muslim League, to win its demand for Pakistan, announced 16th August 1946 as? Correct answer, Direct Action Day. Question number 14. On the Direct Action Day announced by the Muslim League, communal riots started in Daesh and lasted for several days and several thousand people died in the riots. Correct answer, Calcutta. Question number 15. The last British Viceroy to India was? Correct answer, Lord Mountbatten. Question number 16. The Muslim majority areas of British India made part of a new state of Pakistan on 14th August 1947 were? Correct answer, all the above. Punjab and NWFP, Sindh and Balochistan, East Bengal. Question number 17. Match the following. Correct option 1C, 2A, 3B, 4D. Two nation theory, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Rights of minorities resolution, Gandhi and Nehru. Refugees, displaced people, Privy Purse, Princess Pension Funds. Question number 18. Which of the following is true about Gandhi? Correct answer, all the above. Assassinated on 30th January 1948. Assassin was Nathuram Godse. Heram were his last words. Question number 19. Where was Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, on the day of Indian independence, that is 15th August 1947? Correct answer, Noakhali, Bengal. Question number 20. Who played the key role in the integration of princely states with India? Correct answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 21. By 15th August 1947, all the states except Dash had agreed to sign the Instrument of Accession with India. Correct answer, all the above. Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. Question number 22. The Government of India abolished the privy purses and titles used by the former princely families in the year of? Correct answer, 1971. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with another video. Thank you.